This is the 3D printed brushless motor. So today we'll check its maximum RPM and thrust using two different stators. Hello guys, welcome to my channel The Mech Ninja. So today we'll design and 3D print a brushless motor. You have seen me testing different motors like G-Power motor, Samguk Sunfun or Racerstar motor. All these motors have different numbers of winding according to its application. The best buy link of this motor in the description. So the motor which we'll design will have 14 poles and 12 coils. All its part will be 3D printed except its stator. So let's start. This is its CAD model. I have 3D printed all its part. All these parts are printed with 0.2 mm layer height and 100% infill. I'll be using 14 neodymium magnets for rotor. This is its rotor. It has slots for magnets. I have already assembled the magnets. The magnets are arranged in alternate order, that is north, south, north. The external diameter of rotor is 48.6 mm. These are its stator. I have winded both of them. This one is winded with 4 strands of 0.2 mm wire. It has 15 numbers of turns. This one is winded with 0.5 mm single strand wire. It also has 15 numbers of turns. For winding direction, you can check out the blog in the description, or you can also check out my website. I will test both of these stators. The motor is assembled. Now let's test it. I have tested both these stators. Now I'll give you an observation. So talking about the 0.2 mm wire stator, at no load conditions, it gave us 15,000 RPM at 50% throttle, and maximum temperature was 49 degrees Celsius, and no load current was 3.35 amperes. When we have connected it with 6-inch tri-bladed propeller, it gave us 245 grams of thrust at an efficiency of 2.2, and maximum current drawn was 6.6 amperes, and the maximum temperature was 48 degrees Celsius. When we have connected it with 10-inch propeller, it gave us 440 grams of thrust at an efficiency of 2.46, and the maximum current drawn was 11.27 amperes, and the maximum temperature was 52.6 degrees Celsius. Now let's talk about the 0.5 mm wire stator. At no load conditions, it gave us 11,300 RPM at 50% throttle. The maximum temperature was 49.1 degrees Celsius, and the maximum current drawn was 2.58 amperes. When we have connected it with tri-bladed propeller, it gave us 235 grams of thrust at an efficiency of 2.59, and the maximum current drawn was 5.65 amperes, and the maximum temperature was 45.2 degrees Celsius. Now when we have connected it with 10-inch propeller, it gave us 466 grams of thrust at an efficiency of 2.76, and the maximum current drawn was 10.79 amperes, and the maximum temperature was 52.5 degrees Celsius. So from all the observations, we can see that 0.5 mm stator performed well as compared to 0.2 mm wire stator, as its temperature was less, it has high efficiency, and it draws less current. So this is a high torque motor, and I will use this 0.5 mm stator in my future projects. I have tested this motor till 50% throttle because of safety reasons, because as we increase the RPM, there are more chances of breaking. But anyway guys, this is our first prototype, and there are some modifications required. Like first is, I need to decrease the gap between the stator and the magnet, and second is this bearing must be placed properly, and next time I'll enclose this plastic casing with a metal casing, and then we'll test it with 100% throttle. So guys, if you have any suggestion regarding this motor, then you can comment in the comment section. And guys, if you found this video informative, then please like, share, subscribe, comment, and press the bell icon. And guys, this channel is all about 3D printing, robotics and aviation. So thank you guys for watching it, and I'll catch you later with the next project.